Alrighty guys, what's up? Welcome back to LG Fishing. I'm finally back. I actually came out here yesterday and tried to do an MTB slam. It was really cold, had 0 bites. So today I'm back out with my new stuff. I just arrived from Aries Fishing, my sponsor. Got this sick crankbait, and I got like a whopper plopper and 3 frogs that I'm going to try out. I decided to start off with the crankbait because I'm going to wait till it gets darker or later at night to start throwing the top water. Hopefully the bite is on. But yeah, we're going to get right into this. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on my phone because I just want to get out here real quick and get it done. Didn't have to want to mess with the GoPro and everything. So today is just going to be a phone on a tripod, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Guys, we got one. Holy cow. I'm dead. I thought I felt a tab, really. Bluegill. Man, this water is freezing cold. Got ourselves our first fish. Just came right off. I mean, I'll take it. Not what I'm looking for. But our first fish. Not a huge one, but bluegill. Back in the water. Caught it way out there, guys. I mean, it was way out there. And I felt it. I was like, that felt like a bite. Well, then I started trying to reel my crankbait in, and then I look over there, and I had a bluegill. So, first fish of the night. Not what I'm looking for, but it is a fish. And we're just going to keep on fishing. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're just going to keep doing it. Alrighty guys, got the sick whopper plopper tied on, and we are ready to go get these fish. It's still about an hour till dark, so I'd say we're at a good time to start the old top water fishing. So let's go. Here we go, guys. First cast right here. Let's see what she's got. Oh yeah. This thing is awesome. Got great plopping. You guys hear that? Thing is beast mode. Hopefully I can get a fish on it. I actually saw a big blow up over here earlier, so I'm gonna try to go over here, see if it was a bass or what. Alright guys, that is literally all I caught fishing. I've had a horrible couple days fishing. I just can't get anything. I guess I'm gonna have to switch ponds or something, because that pond's just not producing. Really annoying because I know these baits are really good. I don't know why the bite is not on here in the Midwest, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, catching the bluegill. But please hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I can think of some awesome videos to get up for you guys that are not catching fish, because apparently I can't catch fish right now. But thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, and peace.